how to switch back to a personal account on Instagram. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Instagram application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, tap on your profile icon on the bottom right of your screen and then tap on the three lines on the top right of your screen. You will be led to Settings and Activity page. Here, scroll down and you will see the option for Professionals and Tools. Tap on the Business Tools and Controls option you see there and you will see the option for Switch Account Type. Tap on that and you will see the option to switch to personal account. So, tap on the Switch to Personal Account option and in the confirmation that appears, tap on the Switch to Personal Account option again. And with this, your profile will be switched to personal account. You can go back to your profile and see that there is no professional dashboard anymore, which means your profile has been switched to personal account successfully. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.